love this one. Put it well. Good morning, guys. We are going to school. Today, baby Alice is having breakfast in school. You know? So we are going to do breakfast in the school today. No, you say you don't want to. So guys, it's even better with this air fryer, you know. So that is it. Yeah, let's just leave it to brown. No, is it okay? No, yeah, put it back. So that... Good morning, guys. So we are in holidays. So we are preparing our breakfast. This is a 10:30. We just wake up. So that is it. So it's ready. Yeah, come and serve. Spider-Man. Look at me. What's wrong with Mwabunya. Yema moyebu. Chidi, don't want. Bye, Brandy. You don't like brioche. Come on. What do you do? Bye. I drink. It's only till I drink. She will not eat the brush. She don't like brush. I put a drink now. Okay, want to sit down. Put it well. Siki. So guys, let's make lunch. So I'll be making pasta with polpetta. Olive oil. I don't even know the pasta I'm going to cook. So not too much. Exactly. Gambasu, Gambasu. So guys, we are in park. People are still coming. You know. So this is where we are doing the tonic. You can see they're still on the barbecue charcoal.
Jaga ma ho aka ga me dule. Ama ho ne wo. Is it man? Okay.
Ele go manu.
Okay, gine.
Ngo na adu na me den wetai. I'm na cost you.
You might go in first publicity before.
Now, I'm
Yeah, maybe share me. Then you must go na roll bank.
and then man.
Catch my house na.
I love this one.